Hi guys! Done my Muay Thai. Pinagpawisan ako guys. Grabe. Grabe yung coach ko. Ang lakas. Lakas niya guys. Water break. Sabi ni coach, okay lang daw yung power ko, porque lang yung breathing ko hindi daw maganda. Hinihingal daw ako. Kailangan ko ng cardio. So, punta na kami mag abs o arms exercise. Tired. Grabe yung pawis ko. Dito na ako sa gym. Laki ng pool, restaurant. Pero wala akong plano na mag-swimming kasi pagkatapos ng exercise ko, pupunta kami sa Grand Indonesia para mag-lunch. Parang na-miss ko yung Japanese foods. Nakakapagod.
Yeah, who? 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 Huh? Who? One, two, three. One, two, three. And go up. One, down, up. From up. Two. Set. One. Okay, good go. Okay, abs. Right, baby. Shoulder to head. Elbow, up. Okay, one, two, three, go. One, two, three. Up, okay, together, together. Exhale. Four. Yeah, twister. Twister. One, two, three. One, two, three. Yes, good. One. Up, please. Twister knee up. Elbow up, please. Lower it right on the mat. Upper back up and please. Two, one. Okay, great.
Hi, Alice. You enjoy swimming? Is this yours? Huh? Alice, is this yours?
Huh?
Is this yours?
No.
No? This is for what actually? That is for what?
I don't know.
Enjoy swimming, Alice. Are you hungry?
Mama, make a heart.
Heart. Okay, make a heart for me. No, we are missing the other part.
No, we can't make it in this the other heart.
Yeah. It's a circle. It's so cute. Are you hungry?
This is a heart.
Mm.
Could this make it a harder half of the heart?
We need one of that again also. But it's okay. I just want to say hello to you. You want to make one lap? One there, back and forth. So, katatapos ko lang boxing and floor exercise at dito ako sa pool. Nagpapahangin muna at si Alice ay nagsuswimming naman. Mamaya-maya na rin ay aalis na rin kami dito at pupunta kami sa restaurant. Kain kami doon. Doon si Alice. Are you done swimming? You want to change clothes?
Yeah.
Let's go to change so we can go to Grand Indonesia. Yeah?
We have matcha and Milo sauce. What do you like? Matcha. Matcha.
Alice.
But I don't like using dishes for some reason because they have very babyish things.
Hi guys, nandito ako kasi gusto kong mamili ng mga batik kasi mag Idul Fitri, mag Hari Raya at kailangan ko ng new batik. Ang ganda oh. Kaya nagtingin-tingin lang ako dito sa alon-alon na lahat ng paninda nila dito ay mga batik. Ang ganda. Ang ganda nito. Ang mahal ng batik nila guys, nasa mga 10,000 pesos to 5,000 to 10,000 pesos yung mga batik nila dito. Yung batik pala guys ay ang national clothes dito sa Indonesia. Ang mahal. Ang mahal. Tingnan nyo you guys yung pattern dito na mga batik. Ang ganda. Ito ang ganda. Mayroong garuda. Ang ganda ng pattern na ito. Gusto ko ito na pattern. May mga bulaklak. Tsaka butterfly. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Ang ganda nito na outfit. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. I like. Wow. Ang daming rattan product also. This rattan. Oh, this is nice. Gusto ko to guys.